Hello guys, welcome to my channel once again. Last time video we did it on arts, so today now arts and music, they go hand in hand. So we are going to have music. As you can see from our blackboard, we are going to read about the musical notes and actually the musical alphabet. Welcome. If you find the channel useful to you, kindly subscribe down there so that you can get more of the video and manage to read the other part of the musical notes, including the piano. So guys, welcome back. Today, as I said, we are going to read about the musical notes. And when you're looking at the musical notes, the first thing we look at, it is actually the staff. So we have something we call the staff. The staff is made up of 5 lines. But this one, when you go to the instrument, we have instruments that have got more than 5 lines. That one we call it the ledger line. So if you subscribe, you'll manage to know when we have the ledger line and how we go about it. So I have said this. The first thing, we have the staff. And for the beginners, the staff, we are going to look at the staff that is made up of 5 lines. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then from there, we cannot know the musical notes to place on the staff until we have the clef. We have 2 types of clef. The first one, we have the treble clef. Then we also have the bass clef. So looking at the treble clef, when you look at it, it looks like letter G. So that is why we have treble clef having another name, that is the G clef. We also have the bass clef, which look like letter F. That is why we have the bass clef having another name known as F clef. So we have that. Then from there, we go to the musical alphabet. We cannot know the musical alphabet to place on the staff until we know which clef we are having. So for example, the first one, we have the G clef. The G clef has got its own notes. And like I said, when we come to the musical notes, we start with letter A up to letter G. So we have A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Then when you reach letter G, you go back to letter A. So actually we have that. In our case here, we are going to look at the G clef. The G clef, we always start at letter E. The letter E is always at the down line of the staff. To make it easy for you, you can see we have the space notes. They are dotted with letter with the color red. Then we also have the space notes, I mean the line notes, which have got color black. So the first thing for you to know the G clef, to make it very easy for you, when you look at the one that has got the red mark, it makes the one face. So when we come to the space notes, you need to make to write maybe the name face, leaving the line notes. So when we have face, you can manage now easily to know the other letters because they follow the alphabetical order. So we were looking at the space notes, and we have said the space notes forms the word face. So the moment you write face at the space notes, it becomes very easy now for you to get the other letters, because down after F, that is below F, we have letter E. So let it get in your mind that in G clef, we always start at letter E and we end at letter F. That is if we are not using the ledger lines. Therefore, we have the space note as F, A, C, E, which forms the word face. We also have the line notes as E, G, B, D, F, which forms the line notes of the treble clef. So actually we have that. Guys, next time on my channel, subscribe so that you can manage now to know the F clef, which musical alphabet we usually use. Thank you very much as you subscribe.